Hey there, fellow explorers! If you're dreaming about your next getaway, let me put Birmingham, UK, right on your travel radar. Whether you're flying solo or bringing the crew, this city is packed with culture, history, and some seriously good eats. Let's kick things off in the heart of the city, Victoria Square. It's the pulse of Birmingham, surrounded by gorgeous Victorian architecture and lively street performers. Don't forget to check out the famous floozy in the jacuzzi fountain. Snap a pic. You'll want this memory. Now, if you're a history buff, the Birmingham Museum and Art Gallery is an absolute must. Trust me, you could spend hours wandering through everything from ancient artifacts to pre-Raphaelite masterpieces. Admission is free, so no excuses. Shopping fanatics, listen up. The Bullring in Grand Central is your one-stop mega mall, with over 200 shops. And yeah, the massive metallic bull statue is kind of iconic. Make sure you grab a selfie before you go on your shopping spree. Ready for something a little different? Take a walk down the historic Jewelry Quarter. It's not just about sparkling diamonds. This area oozes personality, with indie coffee shops, cool galleries, and more jewelers than anywhere else in Europe. Perfect spot to pick up a unique souvenir. Foodies, you're in for a treat. Birmingham is famous for its Balti Triangle. That's right, curry heaven. Dive into one of the local curry houses and try a Balti dish. Or, if you're craving something sweet, swing by one of the artisan bakeries in Digbeth and grab a slice of homemade cake. Now, let's talk about canals. You might think Venice has it all, but Birmingham actually has more miles of canals than Venice. Stroll along the Gas Street Basin, lined with historic barges and quirky pubs. It's the perfect spot for an afternoon drink or a sunset walk. If you're traveling with kids or just love hands-on fun, don't skip Think Tank, Birmingham Science Museum. From giant steam engines to interactive exhibits, it's guaranteed to spark your curiosity, no matter your age. And if you want a break from the city buzz, head to the Birmingham Botanical Gardens. 4 stunning glass houses, exotic plants, and plenty of space to just breathe and relax. Trust me, it's an oasis you won't want to miss. Alright, before you pack your bags, here are a few quick tips. The city is super walkable, but grab a day pass for the buses and trams to save your feet. Try the local craft beers. You'll find some amazing pubs around Digbeth and the Jewelry Quarter. And finally, don't rush. Birmingham's charm is in its small moments. Soak up the culture, chat with locals, and enjoy every bite. That's it from me. If you're planning a trip or have any Birmingham stories, drop a comment below. Happy exploring!